Hey, can I help you out here?
Oh, I'm all set then.
Gotcha. Good. I can go off the roads. That's a good idea. Today is Diversity Day, and someone's going to come in and talk to us about diversity. It's something that I've been pushing, that I've been wanting to push for a long time, and corporate mandated it. And I never actually talked to corporate about it. They kind of beat me to the punch. Bastards. But I was going to, and I think it's very important that we have this. I'm very, very excited.
That's the thing. It's very sturdy paper. And on the back it says 100% post-consumer cotton. What? Hello? Wait, what? Sorry, Mr. Deckard, I think I'm losing you. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hold on one sec. I don't know. Hold on one second. Do you really have to do that right now?
Yes, I do. I should have done this weeks ago, actually.
Mr. Deckard, I'm sorry about that. Can you hold on 1 second? Yeah, just 1 second. Thanks. Hello? Oh, that's it. Perfect. So what I was saying... Hello? Anyway.
Tit for tat.
That is not the expression.
Well, it should be.
This is my biggest sale for you. They love me over there for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but I make one call over there every year just to renew their account. And that one call ends up being 25% of my commission for the whole year. So I buy a mini bottle of champagne and celebrate it. This year I'm pushing recycled paper 1% more. I know, getting cocky, right? Solitaire.
Yeah, please no. I know I saw that.
So that's why
I like it. The card is so
who doesn't love that?
Hey, Oscar! How you doing, man? Did you have a good weekend going there? Oh, yeah, I bet it was fun. Oh, hey, this is Oscar. Right, see? I don't even know. First name basis.
Okay, we're all set.
Oh, hey, well, diversity, everybody, let's do it. Oscar works in here. Jim, you wrap it up, please? It's Diversity Day, Jim. Wish every day was Diversity Day.
You know what? I'm actually going to have to call you back. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kevin.
Thank you. Great.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks for filling these out. And I promise to be quick. At Diversity Day, our philosophy is about honesty and positive expectations. We believe that 99% of the problems in the workplace arise simply out of ignorance.
You know what? This is a color-free zone here. Stanley, I don't look at you as another race.
See, this is what I'm talking about. We don't have to pretend that we're colorblind.
Exactly.
That's
We're not
fighting
colorblind.
ignorance with more
We're not
ignorance.
colorblind.
No, with more ignorance. Right, exactly. Instead, we need to celebrate our diversity.
Let's celebrate.
Okay.
Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate diversity, right?
Yes, exactly. Now, here's what we're going to do. I've noticed that,
You know what? Here's what we're going to do. Why don't we go...
okay. Now, at the start of the session, I'll have you write down an incident that you found offensive in the workplace. Now, what I'm going to do is choose one, and we're going to act it out.
Do you have the ground rules?
Hey,
Wait.
Okay, can we steer away from gay people?
I'm sorry, it's an orientation, it's not a race. Plus, a lot of other races are also intolerant of gays, so... Paradox.
Well,